This is kthx, an AI email automation service. Users connect their Gmail and kthx classifies incoming messages with AI, then takes actions like labeling, archiving, and logging to sheets or creating tasks. So here's the Google's consent screen showing the permissions that kthx requests. You want to see your emails. That's used to identify the user and show their email in the dashboard. Read, compose, and send email. This is the gmail.modify. kthx reads incoming messages and classifies them and modifies them to apply labels or archive. We never send emails on the user's behalf though. Manage your Gmail labels. kthx creates and applies labels to classified emails. See, edit, create, and delete your Google Sheets spreadsheets. kthx appends rows to a user-chosen spreadsheet when emails match a given category. See the files in your Google Drive. This is only used to list the Google spreadsheets so that they can pick one. No other files are actually accessed. Create, edit, and delete your tasks in Google Tasks. kthx creates tasks from classified emails in a user-chosen task list. So I'm now on the dashboard and my email is shown here up top, and that is from the user.info or userinfo.email scope. And then as I look at these categories, I've already got these set up. These come out of the box, but the user can define any sort of category they like. And that is defined here in the description. And ultimately, each message gets compared to each description and classified to the one that it matches best. And then there's a handler pipeline that actually applies some sort of action to that email. And so this one has all of the different actions applied to it. So you can see each one here. So the label obviously applies a Gmail label that uses the gmail.labels scope. There is an archive task that's here at the bottom. That archives the email. That's the gmail.modify scope. You have the ability to extract information from the email and log it into a Google Sheet, for example, and it'll land in that sheet. And that, obviously logging to the spreadsheet. So that picker uses the spreadsheet selector here, uses the drive read-only permission, and writing to the rows uses the spreadsheet's permission with the spreadsheet scope. And then you also have the ability to create a task, and again, the AI will extract what goes into that task, and you can drop it into the user selected task list right here. So again, this is the tasks scope. And Notify uses the chat API, or really any webhook. In this case, we're using just a Google Chat and a webhook coming out of that to demonstrate that as well. So processing is active. kthx uses gmail.modify to watch for new emails via Gmail push notifications. When an email arrives, it's classified in memory and the configured actions run. No email content is stored permanently. All tokens are encrypted at rest, and users can revoke access anytime through their Gmail account. Thank you.